What up, fam? Today we learn how to make some Cowboy coffee. Stay tuned. Cowboy coffee is called such because you don't need any fancy equipment to make it. All you really need is a pot, some coffee grounds, and a mug to enjoy it from. You're gonna start by filling your pot with water. Now the pot I'm using is 1 quart, but measurements really aren't too important here. Place the pot over high heat, be it on a stovetop or a campfire, to boil. And once it starts to simmer, it's time to add in your favorite coffee. Now I'm using 1/3 of a cup here, but play with the different amounts until you find a flavor you like. You want to let this mixture come to a rolling boil and let it do its thing for about 3 to 4 minutes. You will want to watch it here as the coffee has a tendency to try to boil over. Once that time has passed, lower your heat or remove it from directly over your campfire and bring it back down to just a simmer. Finally, we want to pour in some cold water all across the surface of the coffee. Because cold water has a higher density than hot water does, it sinks to the bottom of the pot, dragging the grounds down with them. The finished result is a super smooth brew to get you ready for the trail ahead. Happy sipping, and as always, keep leveling up, you.